Hi guys, it's Faith and welcome back to another video. So today we took my bird Petra to the vet. That's not her. The white one is her. And we figured out that she has a fracture below the knee. So we have meds that we have to give her. I left them in my dad's car, but I'll show you when I can. Yeah, my mom just texted me with a message that said okay because I asked her to remind Dad to get the medication from the car. But it's basically what it is. I've seen videos of people like do this when their bird has like hepatic problems or something. Like some weird, when their birds are sick or something, they have this syringe that has a medication in it, and you basically put it into the bird's beak, and that's how you give the medication to them. And well, the birds usually don't like it. I'm gonna try to feed it to her. I'm eating my dinner now. I have Arby's. Yep. But I need to get some ketchup. So, give me a sec. I'm totally failing at this because I'm holding the phone. Yeah, but I'm just glad that I don't have to put her down because that would have been sad, even though I would have gotten a new bird. Yep. But they're on top of the little cage because I didn't want to carry the huge cage into the vet's office. Come here. Come here. No, come here. This is my other bird. That one's Petra. Oh, yeah. I named these two after people from Minecraft Story Mode. I'm hoping that they'll breed sometime and not end up killing and not end up killing each other like Sparky did. Sorry, that was my finger getting in the way. My big fat fingers. So on the next video, I'll probably show you me feeding her with a syringe. But bye.